If you're considering Betternet for your VPN needs, here are 12 things you should know before making a purchase. Betternet is a solid option for some, but there are a few important details to consider before you commit. Let's dive into what makes it stand out from the competition and where it may fall short. First thing to know is that Betternet is a freemium VPN. Unlike many other providers, it offers a free version of the service. However, this free version is limited. You get access to just one server location, and speeds can be slower. If you want more features, like faster speeds or additional server locations, you'll need to upgrade to the premium version. Next thing to keep in mind is privacy. Betternet's free service is supported by ads, which can raise concerns about tracking your online activity. While Betternet claims not to log your browsing data, the presence of ads and their associated trackers can be a bit of a red flag compared to other VPNs with strict no-logs policies like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. Third thing to consider is the speed. Betternet's premium version offers decent speeds, but it doesn't always compare to some of the faster, more established VPNs on the market. If you need high-speed streaming or gaming, you may find Betternet lacking compared to top-tier options. The fourth thing to know is that Betternet's server network is quite limited compared to competitors. With only 100 plus servers in around 10 countries, it doesn't offer the global reach of services like CyberGhost or ExpressVPN, which have thousands of servers spread across many more locations. Fifth, Betternet doesn't support split tunneling, which could be a deal breaker for some users. This feature lets you decide which apps use the VPN connection and which ones don't. If you rely on split tunneling for tasks like streaming or gaming, Betternet might not be the best choice. The sixth thing is that Betternet can be unreliable for bypassing geo-restrictions. While it works with some streaming services like YouTube and Netflix, it struggles with others, such as Hulu or BBC iPlayer. If streaming is your priority, consider a more reliable service. The seventh thing is that Betternet is compatible with most major devices, including Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. However, it doesn't offer as many platform options as some competitors, like Surfshark, which works on routers, gaming consoles, and more. Next thing to know is the customer support. Betternet's support team is available via email, but the lack of live chat can be a bit inconvenient if you need immediate assistance. Other VPNs like ExpressVPN or NordVPN offer 24/7 live chat support for quicker responses. The ninth thing is security. While Betternet uses industry-standard AES 256 encryption, it lacks some advanced features like multi-hop servers or obfuscated servers that are offered by VPNs like NordVPN or ProtonVPN. If you're looking for the highest level of security, you may want to explore those options. The 10th thing is the pricing. Betternet's premium plan is affordable, but not as cheap as some other budget-friendly VPNs like Surfshark. That being said, it's a good deal if you just want basic VPN services without breaking the bank. 11th, Betternet offers a 7-day free trial for the premium version, which gives you a chance to test out the service before committing. This is a nice perk, but remember, it doesn't compare to the 30-day money-back guarantees that other VPN providers, such as CyberGhost, offer. The 12th thing is that Betternet doesn't offer as many extra features compared to its competitors. There's no ad blocking, malware protection, or advanced features like double encryption, which you might find with more premium VPNs like ExpressVPN or NordVPN. Overall, Betternet is a good option for basic VPN users, especially those who are just getting started and want an affordable solution. However, if you're looking for more advanced features, better speed, and stronger privacy protection, consider checking out our recommended solution that you can try for free.